Welcome to today's video. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to say time in pure Ogoni language, kind of language to be precise. My name is Peter Wenganani, your host today. If this is your first time on my channel, please do well to like, share, subscribe. When we're talking about clock, it's called eleke. Eleke. Clock is called eleke in Kana language. So this eleke is the same thing as clock in Kana language. So 1 o'clock, let's draw the clock on the board. Here we have 12, here we have 6, here, and we have 3 here. So let's go. We have 3 here. What should be here? Here is 6. We are counting like this. 12. This should be 1. Here should be 2. Why here should be 3, 4. We have here 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. So if here is 7, here should be 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Here should be 1, here should be 2 o'clock, here should be 3, 4, 5, and this is 6. So how to read clock in Kana language is that when it is here, when it is sharp 12 o'clock, like 12 noon, is called loop, leba eleke. So this is kind of loop, le, ba, ele, eleke. This is kind of loop, leba eleke. This is 12 o'clock. When it is 12 a.m., like 12 p.m. in the noon, it is called loop, leba eleke. So p. This is so p. So p. So if it is 1 o'clock, it is called zinyeleke. Zin eleke eleke. If it is 2 o'clock, it's called ba eleke. Ba eleke. If it is 3 o'clock, it's called ta eleke. Ta eleke. Then if it is 4 o'clock, it's called nia. Nia eleke. If it is 5 o'clock, it is called oo. This is the spelling of oo. You still put the eleke. This one is constant. There's nothing that changed here. Eleke remains eleke. Eleke. Then if it is 6 o'clock, this is the spelling of 6. In. I N. In. Eleke. Still put the eleke. Then if it is 7 o'clock, you put eleba. This is the spelling of eleba. Right, ba. You still put the eleke. Then if it is 8 o'clock, this is the spelling of 8 o'clock, eleta. This is the spelling of eleta. Still put your eleke, which remain constant, ke. Then if it is 9 o'clock, this is the spelling of, yes, the elenia. It's called 9. Elenia. Elenia. Eleke. Still put your eleke. Then if it is 10, loop. This is the spelling of loop. Loop. Put your lob eleke. Then if it is 11 o'clock, which is lob lazing. This is how lob lazing is being written. Lob lazing. You put azin, then Z double I, then put your eleke, which is W L double E K E. This lob lazing eleke. While here you have your lob eleke, which I've already written on the board for us. So here we have, this is, let's start from the beginning. Here we have lob eleke, here, which is this. We have zin eleke, which is 1 p.m. Which is 1 p.m. Yes, 1 p.m. is called zin eleke son pied. Then 2 p.m. is called ba eleke son pied. While we have 3 p.m. as ta eleke son pied. Then we have here 4 p.m. which is evening, because 4 p.m. is evening, which is called nia eleke lo umne, because it is in the evening. It's called nia eleke lo umne. Here we have 5 p.m. which is called o eleke still lo umne, because it's already evening. Then here we have 6 p.m. which is in eleke lo umne. Here is the translation to the Ogoni language, while this one is the English version. So this in eleke is the same thing as 6 p.m. 6 p.m. Then we have here Erebaleke, which is 7 p.m. in the evening. Yes, in the English version, while here is in the Kana Ogoni language version, the translation. So 7 p.m. is being translated to Erebaleke lo umne, which is 7 p.m. in the evening. Then here we have Eretaleke, which is 8 p.m. Then we have Erenia Eleke, which is 9 p.m. When we have Lobeleke, which is 10 p.m. in the evening. And we have here lob lazing eleke. This lob lazing eleke, this 11 p.m. 11 p.m. is the evening. So here we have it as lob lazing eleke. This lob lazing eleke in the evening. Then here we have 12 a.m. 12 a.m. at midnight is not the same thing as lob eleke son pied. I don't know if you understand, because the clock have changed. The day have, like, there's a switch here. So it's not the same thing as son pied here. Here is midnight, while this one is at the noonday. So here is midnight, while this one is the noonday. So you cannot come here and say lob eleke son pied. Some people can call it lob eleke papier, under high sun, when the sun is shining, papier. So here is midnight. We can call it belole. Yes, you can call this one belole. That's lob eleke bueden. Thank you very much. If this is your first time on my channel, please do well to like, share, and subscribe. My name is Peter Engenani, your host today. If you have anything you want to say, you can drop in the comment section. If there's any correction or any way of improving this channel, you can also drop it in the comment section. Thank you very much.